Hey friends, I'm Shaz and welcome back to the Ministry of Reviews. Today I will be testing this mother of all CarPlay entertainment adapters. This one is the Applepie Ultra. I have been waiting for this device for the last few weeks. Just got it. This is definitely the strongest CarPlay entertainment adapter in the market. This is called Applepie Ultra. It's from the famous Explorer company. I've tested almost all of their previous models and they work amazingly well. This device comes with 8 GB of RAM. It also has the 128 GB of internal storage. Now, most of the other devices in the market are 4 GB RAM and 64 GB storage, but this one has 128 GB of storage. Now, it also comes with an SD card memory slot, so you can add more space if you want. This device runs on Android 12 operating system. Most of the devices in the market run on Android 10 and 11. There are a few which are running now on Android 12. I've tested one of them a couple of weeks back. Now, it also runs on the QualComm 662 8-core processor, which is quite fast. It's got the Adreno 610 GPU. Now, this device, just like any other CarPlay entertainment adapter, works only in cars that has the CarPlay functionality. Now, a lot of people have been asking me if we can use this adapter in all the cars, which is not right. You can only use this in cars with the CarPlay functionality. Now, the other good thing about this device is that it comes with a SIM card slot. And when you're ordering this, you need to make sure that you order the right version. There are two different versions. One is specifically for the North America SIM card compatibility, and the other one is for the rest of the world. Now, let's open this box. You've got the after sales guide, installation, and then the user manual. The standard stuff. This is the device. And then you also get the cables to connect the device with your car. Now, this cable comes with a converter adapter. So if your car has a USB-A port, then you use this to connect it with your car, and this goes into the device. But if your car has a Type-C like mine, I would need a converter to plug this into my car. Right? Let's look at this device. Now, the outer case is exactly the same as Applepie Max. So they haven't changed the casing, but they've upgraded the hardware inside. So at the back, you have these area spacing for air ventilation. You've got nice glossy kind of a design, very slim and compact. So you've got the USB-C connection here for the cable that to connect with the car, and you see a cap. This is the cap. You have this button at the back, and this would help you to take off the cap like this, and then you see the SD memory card slot as well as the SIM card slot here. So that's quite nice, quite neat. Like this, put the cap back on, looks quite nice. So it's all plastic body, quite lightweight and compact, very nice design. So let me take this out to my car now. I'll connect it and then we will test all the different functions and features. So keep watching, guys. Alright friends, so I will connect this Applepie Ultra device with the system of my car using the USB cable. Right, there you go. So I've connected the device. It will take a few seconds to sync and start, and then it might also in some cases recalibrate the screen. Android 12 Applepie is starting. Alright friends, so this is the main homepage of this Android 12 Applepie Ultra car entertainment adapter. Let me give you a quick tour. Now on the top left you have the time and the connectivity. I've connected my mobile hotspot with the device. Then you've got the last three applications used. And bottom left you have the file application manager, where you see all the applications that are pre-installed on this device, but you can always go to Play Store and install more applications if you want. Now coming back to the main home page, now these are your favorites. We can click on this and start adding favorites. So let's add YouTube. On the top right, you have all the contacts. Now my mobile is not connected with the device yet, but once it is connected, I will see some of my frequently called contacts. And here you have the media section, media that is playing. Now what we will do in this video, in order to test the performance of this Applepie Ultra device, we will start testing some of the frequently used applications and some of the important functionality like the wireless CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. That's it, guys. So we've tested all the important applications and frequently used functionality of this car entertainment adapter from Applepie, and I must say, everything tested out really nicely. Really impressed with the 8 GB of RAM, 128 GB of internal storage. That's massive. These are the new generation of these CarPlay entertainment adapter. So guys, if you are interested to buy this Applepie Ultra device, just go to the link in the description of this video that takes you directly to the maker's store where you can buy this Applepie Ultra car entertainment adapter. Thanks for watching, guys.